Hi friends! Today we're going to talk about the quiz that you took last week from 11/11, which was last Wednesday. You guys did a really awesome job on these first few questions. You found the correct symbol that 499 was less than 500, that 179 was greater than 177, and that 431 was greater than 421. So you did a really good job looking at the hundreds, tens, and ones place for each of these numbers. Where I saw us struggle a little bit were the next questions. So you see number 7, which is 4 tens, 2 ones. And then it's asking for the comparison symbol for 30 plus 12. Well, let's do the math. One thing I always do is write the total of the side underneath what I'm trying to find. So I know that 4 tens, 2 ones is the same as 42. So I'm going to write it underneath what I have right here. Then I see 30 plus 12. I need to add these together to find what this side of my comparison sentence says. I know 30 plus 12 is the same as 42. I can draw that out to help my thinking. 30 plus 12. I can also show it in place value blocks. Hundreds, tens, and ones, 30 plus 12. I know that that's 4 tens and 2 ones. So now I know that my comparison symbol is my equal than sign. 42 is equal to 42. Let's do another one, and this time I'm going to pause the video for you to solve each side of our equation. You should always have a whiteboard and marker when you're doing these types of equations. So if I have 17 plus 3 equal to, less than, or greater than 9 plus 20. What is 17 plus 3? That's right, you should have said 20. What about 9 plus 20? Good, you should have said 29. Now I know that 20 is less than 29. Let's do another one that you guys struggled with a little bit. So this question wasn't exactly on your quiz, but I want to show you how you can easily find this number, even if these aren't in the order of hundreds, tens, and ones in expanded form. So here I see 4 plus 300. I can do this even without my place value discs by drawing on my board. So the first thing I see is 4. I know that's the same as 4 ones. So I'm going to put 4 dots in my ones place. Then I see 300. I know that's the same as 3 hundreds. So I can see now my answer is 304. So I write it underneath. I always write it underneath. Now I have 70 plus 200 plus 1. This one's all mixed up too, so I'm going to do my hundreds, tens, and ones chart. And I see 70, which I know is the same as 7 tens. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 tens. 200, which is the same as 200s, and 1 1. So now I can easily see that this number is 271. And I know 304 is greater than 271. If your name is on the list on the Google Classroom, I'm going to show you that list right now, then that means you are missing this quiz. So right now, you have a 0%. I want to make sure that everybody on this list that's on your Google Classroom really hard on their quiz today so I can give you guys some good grades. Have fun!